every time.
We didn't see it. Do it again, Tony. Maybe I'll pass you, and then I'll do a forced pass, an aggressive pass on Tony. It makes some contact.
Go ahead. Yeah, holding my iPhone up.
Good spot. That plant, when it's overgrown. Yes, those are the ones. Sharp. Yeah, they got like little spikes on the stalks.
Oh my gosh, I looked down there and I totally thought that was a guy.
So did I.
Right?
I'm like, how did Marty get here already?
That looks like a really creepy guy.
I thought it was Marty taking a piss in the bushes.
You can totally see his wound.
Yes, you could.
Thanks, Tony.
Does not look like, never mind. Look again, look
away
again.
the scariness of it.
And maybe I should wear my glasses when I ride.
No, I looked over and I was like, who's that creepy
I thought
guy?
the same thing. At first I was like, what the heck? Who's that?
No.
Oh, yeah, you could definitely see like the hands going down there.
Yeah.
And there's the stick.
Yep. See? It's not just me, see?
Yeah,
Not
totally.
just me.
But it was weird because I looked down and I was like, I don't remember passing anyone. So I was like, where did that guy come from? That's weird.
So beautiful.
So pretty.
I gotta stop where the orange blossoms normally are. I should try to get a picture there. If they're still around. So. So that little spot where you passed me, that's where the tree had fallen before.